we are now going to measure the base curve on the actual lens. Okay. Okay. So we are gonna be measuring the base curve using our lens clock right here. So the first thing we're gonna do with the lens clock is we're gonna see if it's calibrated. Okay. And we could do that by getting something flat. Could just be anything. I'm gonna be getting a mirror and just pressing it. So it's at 0. So that tells us that it is calibrated. Okay. So now I will get my frame, my lenses, and I will start measuring each meridian at a time. I will do 180, 90, and oblique. Okay. So first I would do the 180. So okay, so at 180, I am getting like a 475. Negative 475. Negative 4.75. Okay. Now I would do the 90. Oop. Okay, at 90, I'm getting a 5. Negative 5. Negative 5. Oops, my bad. It's positive. Positive because it's on the black, in the black section. So, and now I'll do oblique. Okay, so oblique I'm also getting like a 5. A little bit after a 5. So it's like, I'll put a 5, like a little bit over a 5, I don't know, almost a 525. So it's almost a 5, like in the middle. I'll just put it at a 520, something like that. Okay, so now what would I record as my front surface curve? I will use the lowest number. The lowest number here would be 475. Okay, so it would be 475 in 180 meridian. Okay, so now which base curve? I will do the whole right side first. So now which meridian would I measure the base curve in the back surface? So because the lowest one was on the 180, I am gonna do the 180 on the back side too. Okay, I'm not even gonna measure the other meridians because I really don't need to. I will just measure the 180. Okay, so I am gonna go with 575. 575, yeah. But this time, because it's red, negative 5.75, okay? Oh, my bad. So it's here, I will be using it in 180th meridian. 180 meridian. And it'll be negative 5.75. Okay, now the nominal power. The nominal power would be the front base curve plus the back base curve equals nominal power. So I'm getting the front, which is 4.75, and then plus minus 5.75. This becomes a negative, so it would be 4.75 minus 5.75, which would be negative 1. Negative 1 equals nominal power. Okay, so that's going to be for the right eye, the nominal power. Okay, now I will work on my left side. Okay, so now left. Okay, so first I will do the 1 and I will measure the base curve and the 180th meridian. Okay, so I am getting like a almost a 5. It's not a 475 or a 5. It's like in the middle. So I'll go with a 4.80. I'll just go with a 4.80. 4.80, positive 4.80. Then for the 90, I'm getting like a 5. Like it's really close to a 5. It's like really close to a 5. So I'm going with plus 5. And then for the oblique, I'm getting like almost a 475. So I will go with 4.75 for the oblique. 4.75. Let me double check again. Yeah, I'll go with a 4.75 for the oblique. Okay, so now 4.75 for the front surface curve on the left section. Now where I'm gonna measure it on the back surface of the lens, since I got this from the oblique, I will be measuring my back surface of the lens using my lens clock on the oblique meridian. And that would be side to side. And I'm getting like a 5.50. Negative 5.50. So negative 5.50, because I got this number from the red measurement. So the red measurement, 550. So now I will do the nominal power on the left lens, which would just be front surface base curve plus back surface of the lens equals nominal power. So in this case, it would be plus 4.75 plus minus 5.50. These becomes negative, so 4.75 minus 5.50, we will be getting a negative 0.75. Yeah, we would be getting a negative of 0.75. So this would be the nominal power for the left, and this is for the right. So it's this and this. And that's how we measure the base curves of our frames.